So KLOVE just pulled a test, and my camera decided to fail with WDLV going, my BC370 going off for WDLV. So now I can only count EMF. So we'll just wait on that. Actually, here it comes now.
Positive, encouraging KLOVE. The following is a test of the emergency alert system. This has been a test of the emergency alert system, designed to keep you informed in the event of a national, state, or local emergency. Positive, encouraging KLOVE. You're listening to a Christmas music.
And here's the scroll in the WDLV's relay. Of course, my camera failed. It decided to take a picture instead of a video. So therefore, I missed WDLV's relay. Or the end of the relay, at least. Alright, that's it.